Keurig recommends descaling every 3 months or when the descale light starts flashing. Pour the entire contents of the descale solution into an empty water reservoir. Fill the empty bottle with water and pour it into the water reservoir. Replace the water reservoir and make sure there isn't a K-cup in the unit. Put a large mug on the drip tray. Press the power button to turn the coffee maker off. Push and hold the 8 and 12 ounce buttons down at the same time until the descale light turns on. Then press the brew button to start the descaling. When it stops filling the mug, pour out the liquid and replace the mug. Press the brew button and keep repeating until Add Water lights up. Let the brewer set for around 30 minutes so the solution can break down deposits inside the unit. Empty the water reservoir and rinse it thoroughly, then fill it with fresh water to the max fill line. Place the mug on the drip tray and press brew. When it stops filling the mug, pour out the water and replace the mug. Repeat until the Add Water light comes on or the descale light turns off. You may need to refill the water reservoir. Check the label directions on the bottle for your model. Keurig recommends using the rinse pods once a week to clean the needles and the cup drain. Fill the water reservoir with fresh water. Place a large mug on the drip tray. Insert the rinse cup in the brewer. Select the 8-ounce setting and press brew. When it stops filling the mug, pour out the liquid and replace the mug. Remove the rinse pod, lower the handle, and select the 8-ounce setting. Press brew to rinse off the needles.